Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create archive in BZIP2 compression on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create BZIP2 compression, go to your shell, click on open in terminal. Now I am going to create a BZIP2 compression of etc directory. To create BZIP2 compression, type tar C for create, J for BZIP2, and F for file, and then create the type the destination folder name, root, desktop, and then type the compressed file name etc backup dot bz2. Now type the source directory /etc. All files in etc directory will be backed up as BZIP2 compression. Now hit enter and look here. The compressed file is created, and go to the property of the file and look, it's BZIP2 compression. This is the easiest way to create BZIP2 compression archive in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.